Well, hello my friends. With this interesting and powerful technique, you will be able to create the beautiful designs much quicker than usually. And today we're going to create another interesting house design with our powerful techniques of sketching. Hello, my name is Artem. I'm an architect and designer. I'm an artist as well, and let's get started. As always, we're starting from the stage 1. In this stage we use our simple pencil just to create very simple sketch of our future design of the house. On this stage we're trying to find the main shape of the building and to create the whole composition of the drawing. And this short and simple video, we're not trying to create something extraordinary. We're just trying to create the building which can help us show the main tips in this technique. And remember, if you have any ideas, any questions, anything about these techniques of drawings, you can ask me. I'll be happy to answer on all of your questions. Probably I will create the special videos to answer your questions. And don't be shy to leave your most interesting suggestions. On the stage 2, when the whole composition is ready, when we have the shape of our buildings, we're taking our markers and making the first strokes. After that, we're trying to add some colors, some main colors, and to create some volume. When we already have whole color composition, I like to take dark marker and to create the strong shadows. These extra dark strokes will help us to add the drawing the special accent. And before we start in the stage 3, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to be first who will see the new tips of this special technique. On the stage 3, it is time to add liners strokes. This helps us to show contour of the building more clearly, and also it helps us to add some special details like leaves on the streets, bricks on the walls, and the cracks on some part of the buildings, and of course the smallest part of the drawing. And don't miss my other videos to see the other tips of this interesting and really simple technique.